morning guys, Simply Mike here. Dito ulit kami sa Tim Hortons. Be-breakfast kami dito. Dito si Mrs. Mag-order ng pagkain. Siguro sa akin yung wrap batan. Egg with sausage.
Kape mo?
Small, black. Kaya tayo ng may dami na sarap dito guys, lahat ang matamisan dito. Lahat ang matamis. Lahat.
Excuse me! Oh my God.
Sa bahay niya siguro. Excuse me. Hey, good morning. How are you?
Yeah, hi, good morning.
You good?
What you do here?
Oh, just having some breakfast, Yeah, for a change. Because
Every day.
Not every day.
Sometimes.
Almost every day. But not every day.
Nice day today.
It's a beautiful day though. I woke up, I see a lot of snow. I think there's more coming, around 25 centimeter of snow, yeah. So it's gonna be more though, yeah. But right now it's not too good to walk outside,
Maybe next week.
Yeah. So how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Life is good, yeah?
Yeah,
Yeah. You don't stay in Coordinates Plaza anymore?
yeah, after I go.
You go there, yeah? Yeah.
30 minutes I go. I go Butikat after.
Yeah. Okay. That's good, man. It's not so cold though.
No, it's
I would say -7, around that. It's not too bad. It's just that very slippery because it seems like there's an ice under the snow. Yeah. It's perfect, man. So, what is your name, man?
Saddam.
Saddam? Saddam is here.
Good camera.
Yeah.
System. Bring ko Toronto.
The system is good? Yeah. Saddam is here, so we're talking about the weather today, Okay, I think she wants to. We're gonna move there, okay? I'm gonna move here.
Oo, hintayin ko.
Ganda ngayon, wala masyadong tao. Dito kami, breakfast kami dito ni Mrs. Sa Tim Hortons. Tapos mamaya mapasyal namin kaysa baka magpunta kami to sa San Man. Mga Costco, punta kami ron, pasyal namin kay Ronap. Guys. Kasi medyo maraming tao, baka mailang iba na kumukuha ako ng video. Habang wala, it's okay. Okay.
Ayun sa'yo yung wrap.
Yeah.
Kailangan ko ng tissue, ano?
Yeah.
Binigyan pala tayo ng
Guys, so wrap. Nakakaiba to, masarap. Happy birthday. Birthday niya ngayon.
almusal.
Gabi. Sarap. Diba, meron itong ano eh, egg saka bacon. Diba? Most of me, umaga, kape lang ako talaga. Nagbe-breakfast, kakain ako mga 10, 11 to 12. Birthday naman niya, kaya let's have a breakfast. Sarap.
Gutom eh. Paborito
Pagutom
ni Andrew
po-
yan eh.
Ito? Masarap eh.
Kaya namin yung in-order.
Kung pagutom ka, masarap. Meron akong small coffee. Busin ko na ito kasi may kape pa ako sa sakit. Ano in-order mo?
English muffin.
English muffin ang in-order mo. Sabi.
Tapos nito, saan tayo pupunta?
Costco. Ibig yung...
Gusto kong pumunta muna ng St. Joseph. Pwede ba?
Ha?
Mag-relate lang ako ng kanina.
Punta kami ng St. Joseph. Tapos ito.
Tapos Costco.
Pasyal namin kayo doon. Then Costco may biling kami kami.
Tsaka yung ano nga. Royal Mount, no?
Ay, saka sa Royal Mount pala yan. So marami kayo pupunta. Sulit na yung araw na to. Yeah. So guys, we'll see you later. Okay? Okay, bye. Bye. Guys, dito kami sa Costco. Mamimili ng konting pamasko siguro, no? Ito, ganda nito guys, oh. Ang tawag dito 2-year warranty open sun. Magkano to? $94, bali 95. Ang ganda na naman ng mga sale dito sa Costco, oh. Wow. Kahit laruan ng bata meron, eh. Magandang bungad sa Costco. Saka usually yung pabango meron sila. Laptop ulit. Bibiling kasi kami ngayon eh para sa sasakyan yung para sa pagpump ng gulong. At the same time meron siyang ano, no, flashlight, and then pwede mo siyang gamitin kahit saan. So papakita namin sa inyo kung nasaan yun, kung saan yung kung saan nakalagay. Yeah, ito si Mrs. May ganito ka, di ba, mahal? Ito.
KitchenAid yun.
KitchenAid pala yung sa kay Mrs. ano. Ito meron din kami ito, Ninja, which is hindi mo masyado nagagamit, ano. Baka ako lang kung pwedeng padala sa Pilipinas kung gusto ni Ate Meg, ano? Yung Ninja na blender. Ito magandang upuan, kakaiba to. Pag nilig ka sa gaming, no? Kahit nga opisina, eh, more of gaming, ano? Masarap na upuan nyo, komportable talaga siya, no? Ibang klaseng ano yan. Gloves to, eh, no? Saan ba namin nakita kahapon yung sa sasakyan? Wala na rito. ikutan natin kung nasa yung para sasakyan. Ito maganda to ah. Napanlinis ang kotse guys oh. Oh, ano ba ito? Pang car wash naman ata ito. Oh, pang yelo siya. Snow brush and scraper oh. Kanina naglinis ako ng sasakyan. Yung panglinis namin ng sasakyan yung maliit pa. So medyo nahirapan ako dahil sa sasakyan ngayon mataas na no. Pero okay naman, pwede pa naman yun. Sayang kung kukuha ka ng panibago pwede pa naman gamitin. So okay pa yun. Medyo mahirap lang abutin yung sa taas paglinis. So far so good. Magandang pintuan ng banyo. $599. Yung gusto nyo lagyan ng sa shower room, yun yung maganda, hindi yung kortina ano. Ikutan natin yung sa sasakyan na nakita namin kahapon. Andito rin kami kahapon no? Nag grocery kami, hindi ko na na-vlog yung kahapon. Namili kami ng mga pagkain. Nakalimutan ko mag-vlog kahapon. Tapos ngayon pwede, pero hindi ko alam kung nasaan yung gusto kong bilhin. Kahapon nandito lang siya eh. Oh, gusto niyo ng vacuum oh. Ganda to, pwede sa tubig kasi ito eh no? Ginagamit ito ng mga factory. Tsaka ito EcoFlow Delta 3 $7.99. Maganda raw yan no? Sina Kulas gumagamit niya eh, no? Sa Pilipinas. Ito EcoFlow, ito naman $3.99 2 Pro. So EcoFlow okay, maganda to pagka nagka-camping kayo no, ng mga ilang araw doon, maganda yung may ganito kayo para panigurado hindi kayo mawawala ng kuryente no? Pwede kayong mag-sounds, pwede kayong kahit na ano. Hindi ko nakita yung kung saan yung ano yung ayun, nandito binago lang nila. So ito yun, ayun, binago nila ng lagayan. So ito yung gusto kong bilhin for $60. So guys, kuha tayo nito isa. So doon yung presyo niya oh. Natin to, maganda to, colorful display, color. So pwede siyang gamitin sa this is S200 Apex Inflate. Pwede siya sa kotse, motorcycle, bike, ball. So maganda to. Ito yung mga lamay niya sa loob oh, guys. What's in the box? Ito. Saka yung mga specification niya nandito. Pump for the journey. Okay. And then multi-function air inflator. Napakaganda nito guys. For $60 lang ano? So kukuha kami nito. Ito yung kailangan namin. Ito tayo doon sa iba. Para naman malibang kayo no? Mag-enjoy kayo sa mga ginagawa. So, kung gusto nyo ng Purex, dami. Ito yung presyo ng Purex guys oh. Dami no. So nakausap ko yung sa Pilipinas kanina, kausap namin. Nalilibang daw sila sa ginagawa namin dito sa Costco no, sa pamimili no. Nalilibang si Mrs. andun pa. So ikot lang tayo, tinan natin yung may mga sale na ano. Maganda rin, maraming sale no. Ano pa si Mrs. Ayun namimili siya ng may mga napili ka na? Wala. Ayun niya pagkasama ko kaya lumalayo ako. Ikot lang tayo sa iba kasi gusto mo lagay dito yan? Hindi siya makabili. Mga pati laro ng mga bata meron, ang dami oh. Kulit. Pwede mo rin siguro ma-collect ito mga ito eh. Dami. Mga collectible siguro. Formula Racing, oh. Minus $15. Mga collectibles. You know? Oh man, ano na to? $69, oh. $69 bucks. Ito maganda, man. No? Wow, iba-ibang kulay, oh. May red, oh. Tapos may black. Mga remote control siguro to, no? Grabe. Remote, pwede mo siyang control. Remote control siya, guys, oh. Kakaiba to. Kaganda na itong mga ata, no? Maganda yung may mga ganyan ka siguro, no? Ayan, meron din naman $49.99 na mas maliit. Itong isa kasi 70, ito 50. Kung gusto mo medyo maliit, pero to I don't think na nako-control siya, no? So hindi siya nako-control.
Bonjour monsieur,
Bonjour, hi.
ça va bien?
Ça va bien. Hello guys, andito kami sa Royal Mount. Titingin-tingin, mamapasyal. Kasama si Madam. Ganda rito guys, tingnan natin, ha. Baka may mga sale. Maganda dito. Medyo madilim, hindi naman, okay lang. Ganda rito guys, oh. Wow. Nakapronta sa amin, teddy bear ba yan? Ganda, oh. Gucci. Gucci. Sabi, ang ganda rito si... Anong pangalan nito, mahal? Halika, yung simimbag mo, oh, naka ano. Saan tayo? Second floor? Saan nakyata natin? Dito may akyata, no? Dito na aso, well-trained, eh. Meron dito, oh, YSL. Ha? Excited kasi bata pa yung aso, eh, no? Paglabas yan, guys, oh, Access Park Ubeng. Parang park yan, pwede kang maglakad dyan, do? Gusto mong pakita natin ng konti, hindi na? Sa? Starbucks? Ah, hindi, sige, mamaya, punta na tayo. Akit tayo, guys. Ganda, guys. Sunglasses. Sunglass hat. Pupunta kami ng Starbucks daw kasi si Mrs. may libre na cafe. Like ito meron dito guys. Ganda ng ano, sapatos, eh. Meron sila dito sa Nike. Ganda, grabe. Iba to. Pati yung mga parang dekorasyon nila sa window, ganda rin. Wow. Ganda na ano, bonfet, oh, puro tsokolate, assorted, eh. Ice cream guys, oh. Pwede matagal, ano. Yan natin yung kukunin ni Mrs. na sa Starbucks, guys. Yeah. Okay, bye guys, I'll see you later. Dito kami naglalakad-lakad, no? Dito sa Royal Mount. Ito, mahal. Grabe to, ganda, oh. Mga kwintas. Ha? Kailangan mo? Steve Madden guys, merong Steve Madden, merong Sports Experts, Uniqlo. Ito lang isa sa mall na malapit sa amin kaya okay dito mag-ikot, mahal. Kasi malapit lang. Ito paborito nilang puntahan, Uniqlo. Kasi Japanese daw ata ito eh. May titina muna daw siya ulit. Ito, 199. Itong jacket na to. Tapos may pambabae rin. May panlalaki. So maganda yung H&M. Pasok tayo sa H&M. Ayun, no? Jacket na maganda guys, tingnan natin. Ha?
Sukat mo ba tingnan natin kung magandang
Yung small, yeah. Magkano siya? 109 na lang, oh. Tingnan mo. Small siguro, no? Yung small.
Kailangan mo isuot kasi mamaya malapad ang shoulder mo, di ba? Kailangan pala medium.
Ito natin kung pwede isukat siguro. Saan? Ah, okay. Sukatin natin ito, guys. Mukhang maganda eh. Wala si Mrs. susukatin ko to. Okay, bye guys. Sukatin ko muna guys ha. And guys, this is my favorite car, oh. Meron tayong Tesla ulit. So, it's 2.99. Financing na tayo. Ganda guys eh. Ewan ko lang kung pwede tingnan ko sa loob. Yeah, pwede nga. Ganda guys, oh. Kaya natin sa kabila, no? Sakay natin. Tesla. Dual motor siya, no? Model Y. This is one of my favorite car, man. Tesla Y. Tingnan natin kung ano meron sa loob. Siguro same thing yung last time, ha? Wow! Ganda talaga ng Tesla. This is one of the best car. Look at this. Tinanggal ko yung sounds niya. Grabe. Grabe guys, oh. Ganda na. Look at the features that this Tesla has. It's really nice. Grabe. So kailangan patayin yung ventilation nag-on. Bagay may electric naman doon, eh. Yung pinatay natin, sayang yung electric niya. Ganda ng Tesla guys, oh. Yun naman yung pati upuan sa likod, no? Tingnan natin kung anong meron sa likod nitong Tesla. Yeah. Ganda ng likod, oh. Guys, Tesla is the best car. This is my favorite car. Look at this. Look at that. Yeah. Yung mga features eh. Wow. Meron Netflix, oh. Hindi mo pwede ka manood ng YouTube. Grabe. Yeah. Habang bumabiyahe ka, pwede ka manood ng YouTube. Tsaka Netflix. Ganun katindi. This is one of the best car, man. Wow. Anyway, tingnan natin. May maliit pa nga ron eh. Ito sa window niya. Hindi nag-work. So, ang ganda. lang. Ito yung logo niya, no? Ganda. Tulit Trajan. Tesla. So si Mrs. andun sa ano, no? Sa loob ng Sephora kasi meron daw siyang libre. No, doon sa Sephora. Okay, bye guys. See you. May music na naman. Okay, bye. Ayan. Abang ko dyan.
Ayun yung pabang na sinabi sa'yo na pinaamoy ko sa'yo hanggang ngayon nandito pa sa jacket.
Wow, okay. Malakas yun. Parang ano yan eh. Yung talagang
Pero $182.
$182.
182.
Sabi ko, ganda ng tindahan dito sa Royal Mall. May boss. Coach. Dulce Vita. Kasi ito boss. Grabe ang bango yan. Doon sa Sephora yan, pinunta mo?
Oo, yung pabango na.
Oo. Guys, look what we have, oh. For
The spinach.
birthday ni Madam. See? So, ang tawag dito,
Spinach dip.
oh, spinach dip, thank you. So, spinach dip for appetizer, birthday ni Madam. Kukunan namin yung kung ano meron dito. Andito kami sa Baton Rouge, guys, oh. Okay guys, kunan namin ulit yung main course mamaya. Birthday ni Madam. Okay, okay, bye.
I noticed the smokers like to pass by.
So, the gym is free. So guys, we're here. Tapos na namin yung appetizer namin. Oh. We have calamares. And then we have this
Spinach dip.
spinach dip, right? So we're good. You know, now we're waiting for the main course din natin. Medyo masarap yung in-order ko. So, we'll wait guys. Guys, what do you think of... Yeah, si ate mo lang. Oh.
Next time na lang. Next time na lang din.
Guys, braised beef oh, meron, sarap oh. Tapos,
We'll see. Bukas na lang at nagdadrive ka. I'll call you when I get home.
ayan kay mami, look.
It's okay, ha? Thank you.
This is nice.
Okay, bye. Thank you, bye.
Ah, perfect. Thank you so much.
Arvin, sabi niya sa ako, saan punta natin bukas? Sabi ko, saan punta natin bukas? Iba birthday mo? Sabi ko, Arvin, ang birthday ko ngayon.
Ano yun ba?
Kalimutan niya.
Sabi niya, December 12 daw.
Saan sa mistake?
Yeah, ang liit lang.
You guys want this?
Onion ring.
Onion rings. Ano pala to? Wild rice. Braised beef eh, di ba?
Braised beef oh.
Is it like cream or is it like size roll? It's like okay.
It's really good guys.
Is that mashed potato?
Ito.
With mash.
Oh, bawa ka namin ito, right? Guys, what's the apple? The best.
I like this mashed potato. It's so good.
Yeah?
The gravy's good.
You guys don't eat yours.
I know, right?
Ano
Ano kaya to? Mommy,
my
taste
food.
turn. Mommy, taste his mashed potato. It's so good.
Why yung gravy siguro?
The sauce is so good. Yung gravy nga. It's so good, Mommy.
I think the sauce. This braised beef, I like this. This is good. I like this braised beef. It's really good though.
Let the camera taste it.
That's how you camera taste it. Sabi niya, Arvin, galing yung bukas pa.
Sabi ko, Arvin, di ba ang sabi mo, Thursday. Oh, good. Uuwi ako ng Friday, ng Thursday. Tapos nagbago dahil, ano daw. Sabi niya, di ba ang birthday? Saan tayo bukas? Sabi ko, saan bukas? Di ba birthday mo? Sabi ko, ang birthday ko ngayon, Arvin.
Buka lang na buka.
He say after. Oh my God. Sabi ko, ngayon. Sabi ko, hindi na. Sabi ko, may trabaho ko bukas.
Either way, if he has work today, he can't come anymore.
Yeah. That's how it all goes. My problem is I'm used to it going in the exact same direction to go home.
Sarap yung ano mo?
Ayos lang. Maiba naman. Ano, masarap?
Guys, you enjoying it? Okay na rin namin Baton Rouge guys. Kasi last time nakikita namin is anong restaurant niya sa Newport. Ito naman sa Baton Rouge. Although okay din doon, masarap pero mas masarap to. Itong braised beef na kinakain ko. Masarap siya. Tapos sabi yung kay ma'am. And they like my mashed potato. It's really
Mommy,
good.
did you taste his mashed potato?
Kain ito eh.
Yung sweet potato
Ito
pa ako.
tartar sauce.
The sweet potato.
Maybe we'll try that next time we come here.
Oh yeah.
It looks good.
Oh yeah, it's good.
Okay, because I'm just out of right now.
So I think it's good. It's good.
No.
The sauce is so good.
Yeah. Even the beef is like well cooked. I like this one better.
I don't have a favorite thing, but I like trying
Dab, dab.
Okay.
Ganda ko nito.
There's actually a lot of young people at my work.
Yeah?
People around my age. That's why we're like,
Oh,
there's
what?
actually a lot of us.
Oh, yeah?
That's good. Because we would talk sometimes, joke around.
I think one of the important things is you enjoying your work, you know?
I think it's just like the people.
You start learning how to talk. That's amazing. So,
But it flows.
and you're enjoying it. Right, mommy?
You know, the people are nice there.
Something man.
No, okay naman.
The people are nice at my work. I like it.
Yeah, that's good.
Kunin mo na yan, whole thing.
No, no.
Kunin mo na.
Gusto ko lang tingnan, meron pa akong malaki.
Kunin mo na kasi. Gusto mo naman.
Hindi ko nagustuhan.
Hindi naman. Kasi kung ganyan, parang nabusog na ako. Hindi naman.
Wait, mommy, is the guy named Alex the guy from my work that you talked to?
I don't know his name.
Yes, thank you.
Oh, you hear what Louis was saying? What he was saying was the way he was saying it sounded like
You guys enjoying the work?
Huh?
You enjoying your work? Yeah?
Not the work itself, with the people.
With the people, yeah.
So you're
That
joking
makes a
around.
difference, right?
Yeah.
Enjoy mo yung trabaho mo. Dahil sa mga tao. They enjoy the people because of work. Right? Yeah, itong beef brisket is so soft, so tender.
Brace kasi nga.
This is like best. Best.
I want to try that next time.
Yeah, it's really like,
Or unless if he's exaggerating.
no, it's really good. I'm also feeding them, you know? Right?
You should have showed them like up close.
That's what I do.
Sarap,
Basic
bago,
good
ha?
mash. That's what I did. At this coffee, man, that's literally what I did.
They don't want to scare you.
How about you, Andrew? You like your food? I want
Software, yes, my first
So guys, we'll see you again later. Yeah, bye. Happy birthday, Mami. Yeah, bye. Bye.
Take away.
Hindi namin kaya ubusin. Lahat, so pabalot namin lahat ng pagkain.
Dali mo yung coleslaw kay...
Dami natira, oh.
Andrew, hindi mo dyan. Asa na yun? Binigyan ka ng isang
Yung box, you have another box?
Binigyan ka dalawa, di ba? Ayan, dyan mo
There you go.
yan.
No, yung coleslaw dito.
Oo, coleslaw.
So,
Ipatong mo na.
that's it.
Thank you.
Kasi hindi namin,
Pakisukanan niya kagad kasi.
ayun.
Oh, I saw.
Kasi hindi namin kayang ubusin, guys. So, iuwi na lang namin. Ang dami natira, guys.
Parang hindi kumain si Alisa eh.
Ha?
Because I ate a lot of appetizers.
So, nabusog ba kayo? Nabusog kayo, guys? Yeah? Did you like it?
Not now. Not now.
Faster.
But he was
Works harder, not.
Ano yung weather sa labas, guys, oh? Ano pa rin?
I mean, work smarter, not.
At least sumigil na yung snow.
To Walmart next week.
What?
Walmart. Walmart. No, go to that night. I wanna look for something. I wanna look. Yeah. I didn't worry. Oh my gosh, I want it so bad.
No, I didn't.
Huh? A jojoba oil.
What is a hobo?
It's like very good for your skin.
It's really good for your skin? Like for the whole face?
Yeah, and like your body, it nourishes fast.
It absorbs fast.
Yeah. You know this.
Maybe, I heard about that,
Do you
but
have toothpicks?
no. But the thing is, do you need to pull out a lot of things?
No,
in
no,
your
no,
skin?
not a lot. Can you put this? Where's my coleslaw?
So ayan guys, so binabalot na namin lahat ng ng pagkain kasi hindi namin maubos yung pagkain dito guys. You wanna put the other one too? Yeah, it will fit too, yeah. Perfect, yeah.
I wouldn't know. I would have fucking bought a whole bunch.
It's gonna fit? Oh, okay, that's really good.
You're like 80 bucks. Sit back in that like.
If I'm encouraged, like,
Tutur ko palabas.
nothing's gonna for my Christmas gift.
Mamaya na, nagmamadali ba tayo?
Babae mo, tutur ko palabas ko.
I've been waiting 2 years.
And it looks familiar.
Oh, is this the same thing?
Which one's the beer? Which one's...
It's bubbly, so this one is. That's the apple juice.
I want
Ate,
to.
did you enjoy
How
apple?
does it smell like? Can I just smell?
Strong, right? Yeah, that's why this is not good for you. Once in a while, I would drink it, you know, but not like all the time. You see, I'm already like tipsy, you know, with just one glass. Because I've been drinking.
Tipsy ka na. Pag matagal ka hindi
No, but because I haven't been drinking
nakakailang bote ka eh.
for so long, you know.
12 hours na inom.
I drink a lot before, and I can handle it. Yeah,
Hours?
I mix it up. I drink. It's hard for me to get drunk, but because I'm doing lifting party, that's why.
Would you like anything else?
That's it. Can you? Yeah, that's it. Mabait din naman nakita mo.
Kasi alis na tayo.
Masaya, masaya sila tapos. Any message, guys? It's sleepy.
What did you do?
Huh?
What?
Oh.
Oh, that's right. You weren't even born. Sorry, bro.
Kasi dati meron silang,
What did you do instead of
dahil yung kalamaris nila hindi siya entre. Dati may meal siya,
Oh.
tinanggal nila sa
Oh. Ganun. Okay.
masarap yung
That's a Diz. You sang at local.
Oo. Alam mo siya, mas masarap siya kaysa doon sa... Thank you. Doon sa kinanapin na... Thank you so much.
Living a life. Best life.
Huh?
Best years. Enjoy them.
Oh, shit. Yung cellphone ko, guys. Yung cellphone ko, nakita mo?
ay wala sa akin.
It's on you? It's on you? I heard you joking here, bro.
You see?
You know what show? You know what show is from boxing? You know what show I started watching?
Thank you. So we're done.
Yes.
Bag. Hungry. Let's go, guys. We're done. That's it. Let's go.
Train somebody and then
Para makita niyo yung lugar, guys. Napakaganda, napaka-elegante nung lugar namin dito. So napakaganda nung kakainan namin. It's really nice here. Saka meron silang bar, no? If you guys wanna go, they have a bar, no? Baton Rouge, guys. Baton Rouge. Tapat dito sa ano eh. Guys, Tim Hortons. Ito sa Baton Rouge, ano. Makikita mo din yung pangalan ng restaurant, Baton Rouge. Tim Hortons. Okay guys, we'll see you again. At least nairaos namin yung birthday, no? Kahit apat lang kami, wala pa si Arvin. So, we'll see you guys, Baton Rouge, yo. Yeah, Baton Rouge, guys. Really nice, oh. It's big. Nice. Sarap ng pagkain na kinain namin. Tsaka during summertime nga pala, dito pwede kang kumain, no? Dito sa labas, oh. Meron silang ano dito sa labas. During summertime, ayan. Okay. Okay guys, bye. We'll see you, bye. So dito kami guys, pauwi na kami. Shoot, music mo, music. Music. So music. Ayan, so pauwi na kami. Ito kasing isang yun, nagmamadali, no?
Kaya nga eh.
Ayan. So si Mami nagda-drive ngayon, guys.
Daddy's tipsy.
Kasi
Daddy's
Daddy's tipsy
tipsy,
just for one beer. You know, ito, pauwi kami. Nagda-drive si Mami pauwi.
Wala, sana.
And she will keep driving until we get home.
Until we get home.
Until we get home. Medyo traffic dito sa Nagtahan. I mean, Nagtahan eh. No?
Decaro.
Sa Dicari, parang Nagtahan eh. Expressway. Dicari Expressway. Sa tabi ng Burger King, guys. There you go.
Pali.
Tapos may Walmart dito, may Samsung, Ben, Burger King, Dormivue. Marami pang iba. Ayan o. So, galing mag-drive ni Mami oh. Wow. Hindi naman paano mag-drive si Mami. Diba? Kakaiba yan. Ibang klaseng driver yan. Basta nag-drive yan, pulido yan, sigurado.
Talaga ba?
Lalabas ang ngipin mo. Diba? Oo, basta nag-drive si Mami, lalabas ang ngipin mo.
Dito laging may pulis dito.
Saan?
Nag-aano
Yan, oh.
ng mga overspeeders.
Nanay oh, yung nag-drive. Oo nga no, dito. So ito, pauwi na kami rin. At least nairaos namin yung birthday ni Mami. Nakakain kami 4. Wala yung yung lalaki, anak kong lalaki na isa, si Arvin. Hindi nakarating dahil akala niya birthday bukas. Nagkamali na din siguro sa pagod, nagkamali siya.
May trabaho rin kasi.
May trabaho din
Paano
pati
naman siya?
sa pagod. Dami nga naman trabaho.
Tapos pa lang siya
Triple
ng-
job eh, no? Talagang masipag yung isa namin na yun. Parang si ate din, masipag, at saka si Andrew. Si Andrew masipag mag-aral yan.
Yes,
Diba?
everyone is.
Everyone is.
Just like
Except me.
everybody else.
Yeah. So, at least, you know, ito palagi namin dinadaanan. So, sasabi mo, Mami, paalam na?
Paalam. Later.
Paalam. Gagano. Bye.